Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Floating Stocks. I am Venkat, and in this session I'm going to explain you about long straddle option strategy. Okay, the name of the strategy is long straddle option strategy. Okay, so it's pretty similar to long strangle option strategy. Okay, and it is opposite to short straddle option strategy. Okay, don't get confused. Anyway, I'm gonna point out the major differences between short strangle and long strangle, and also short straddle and long straddle. Okay, these are four important strategies. These four strategies are neutral strategies, and these four strategies are non-directional option strategies. Okay, so I'm gonna point out the differences between short strangle, long strangle, and also short straddle and long straddle. Okay, in next session. Okay, now in this session, let's discuss about long straddle option strategy. Okay, so let's start. So these are the contents for today's session. So in this session, I'm going to talk about the definition, and I'll make you understand what is long straddle and what is the theory or what is the logic involved behind the construction of long straddle. Okay, so this is a very important option trading strategy. I mean, the importance is same. I mean, these four strategies are very important. I mean, these four strategies are regularly used by professional traders. Okay, so you need to be mastering long straddle, short straddle, short strangle, and long strangle. These four strategies are non-directional strategies, and these four strategies are neutral strategies. That means these strategies have the capability of showing you the profits or showing you the, I mean, these profits has a probability of seeing profits even when I mean, irrespective of market direction. The market can go only in three direction. One is upward, other is downward, and the third is sideway market. Okay. In all the three situations, you will be able to see the profits if you use these four strategies. Okay. These four strategies are used by lot many professional traders. They use it daily to generate monthly income from these strategies. Okay, so it's highly important for you guys to give utmost important while listening this session. Okay, so I'll be talking about long straddle option strategy and also the logic behind the construction of long straddle option strategy. Then I'll be explaining you which strikes to choose when you're dealing with long straddle option strategy. Okay, and I'll be speaking out about the risk involved and also reward involved when you are dealing with long straddle option strategy. After that, I'll be speaking about the break-even points. Then we'll get on to payoff chart for long straddle option strategy. Okay. After that, I'll be explaining you the effect of volatility and also effect of theta on this long straddle option strategy. After that, we'll get on to uh, we'll get on to things that you should be knowing when to implement long straddle and at what time you need to implement long straddle, etc. Then immediately after that, I'll be pointing out the entry points and exit points and entry time and exit time, and also the stop loss for long straddle option strategy. Okay. Finally, I'll be concluding the session by speaking few important points to keep in the mind while dealing with long straddle option strategy. Okay. So let's start with the first content. So what is long straddle option strategy? It's very simple. It's very simple. In one word, I can say that this strategy is 90 to 95 percentage similar to long strangle option strategy. Okay, I repeat. Now I'm going to talk about long straddle option strategy, which is pretty similar to, which is very similar to, which is closely 90 to 95 percentage similar to long strangle option strategy. Okay, so the effect of volatility, the effect of theta, and all those things are pretty similar to long straddle and long strangle. Okay, they are very similar to each other. Okay, the only difference is the main difference between long straddle and long strangle is in long strangle what we did, we buy out of the money call option and out of the money put option. In long strangle, okay, what we are doing, we are buying, what we are buying, out of the money call option and out of the money put option. Okay, But here in long straddle option strategy, we buy at the money call option, we buy at the money put option. That's it. There in long triangle, we were dealing with out of the money calls and puts. But in long straddle, we deal with at the money call and put options. That's it. Okay. That's a major difference between long straddle and long triangle. Okay. Let's move forward. So here is the definition of long straddle. Long straddle. Let's understand this. The long straddle is also known as buy straddle. Why? Because going long is nothing but we buy first and sell later. Okay. So the long straddle is also known as buy straddle. There is nothing in the line number one. Okay. Or simply straddle is a neutral strategy. Why it is a neutral strategy? Because we'll be able to make money irrespective of market direction. So it is called neutral strategy. Okay. So is a neutral strategy in option trading that involves simultaneous buying of put and call of same underlying asset of same strike price and expiration date. That's it. That's what I told. You need to be buying at the money call option and at the money put option to construct long straddle option strategy. That's the difference between long triangle and long straddle. Okay. In long triangle, we deal with buying of out of the money call option and out of the money put option. But in long straddle, we deal with buying at the money call option and at the money put option. That's it. Okay. So we can implement long straddle if we if you are unclear. Okay, if we are unclear about the market direction. Okay, so because this is called neutral strategy, so irrespective of market direction, this strategy has a I mean, this strategy have the capability of generating profits. Okay, so that is why this strategy is called a neutral strategy, and this strategy is also called a non-directional option strategy. Okay, so you need to be implementing this strategy if you are unclear whether the market goes up or down. Okay, so which strike to choose? I already answered this question. Okay. So simple. You need to be choosing at the money call option and at the money put option. You need to be buying at the money call option and at the money put option simultaneously to construct long straddle. Okay. So long straddle option strategy is unlimited profit and limited risk. Yeah. Because what we are doing, we are going long. Okay. Going long in the sense what we are doing, we are an option buyer. We are buying here. Okay. So long straddle is nothing but buy straddle. Nothing but we are buying at the money call option and we are buying at the money put option. Okay. So we are an option buyer here. Okay. So we pay the premium and get the right. Okay. So for an option buyer, I mean the risk is limited here. Okay. Risk is limited and profits are unlimited. Reward is unlimited. Okay. So long straddle options are unlimited profit and limited risk option trading strategy that is used when when the option trader thinks that underlying securities, nothing but Nifty or Bank Nifty or stocks, will experience significant volatility in near term. Significant volatility in the sense India VIX should be greater than 24 or 25 to implement this strategy. Okay, so how to construct long straddle? Pretty simple. You need to be buying one ATM call option and you need to be buying one ATM put option. That's it. If you buy one ATM call option and if you buy one ATM put option, then we call it as long straddle option strategy. Okay, so selected strikes should have high volatility in the sense India VIX should be greater than 24 or 25. See, this is India VIX index. Okay, so the present value of India VIX is 22.42. Okay. So this value should be greater than 24 or 25 for us to implement long straddle option strategy. Okay. So that's the criteria you need to be considering or you need to be thinking about before implementing the strategy. Okay. We need high volatile market to book good profits when you're dealing with long straddle option strategy. Okay. So what's the risk and reward? You already know this. What we are doing, we are buying. So we are an option buyer. Okay, what we are buying, we are buying at the money call option and at the money put option to construct long straddle. Okay, so for an option buyer, the risk is limited and reward is unlimited. Okay, so let's get on to payoff chart. Before that, what is at the money strike? What is at the money strike? Yes, you got it right. So at the money strike is this thing. Strike prices where the color change is happening. Okay. So here the at the money strike is 14,350 and 14,400. Okay. Okay. Let's deal with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. So where the color change is happening here. Okay. So the at the money strike price is 31,200 or 31,300. Okay. So that is at the money strike price. At the money strike price is 31,200 and 31,300. You can choose any one among those two. Not a problem. Okay. So let me select 31,000, 31,200. Okay. I'll be selecting Bank Nifty here. I'll be selecting options here. I'll choose nearest expiry, then 31,200 strike price. So what I need to do, I need to be buying call option and also put option. Done. So this is how the payoff diagram looks like. This is how the payoff chart looks like. Okay. So if you look at the diagram, the red area is very small here. Okay. That means risk is limited here. Okay. And look at the green area. It's very huge. Okay. That means the profits are unlimited here. Okay. So this is long straddle option strategy. That means we are buying at the money call option and at the money put option at the same time. Okay. So for an option buyer, risk is limited. According to payoff diagram, what you are able to see, you are able to see limited, I mean, very small red area. Okay. That means your loss is limited here. Okay. Your risk is limited here because you are an option buyer, because you are buying at the money call option and at the money put option. Okay. And look at the green area. Green area is huge, huge. Okay. That means your profit potential is unlimited here. Okay. So that's all about risk and reward. Coming to break evens, it's very easy to calculate. I think most of the students now got familiar with how to calculate break evens. If you're not able to calculate also, no problem, take the help of this website, and that website directly gives you the break evens. Okay. So it's very easy to calculate. Just select 31,200, the strike price which we have bought, 31,200, plus add two premiums, 402, 410. Okay. 402 plus 410 equal to 32,012. 32,012. That's the upper boundary level. That's the upper, what can I say? Upper boundary level or upper break even point. Okay. For lower break even, same. You need to be selecting the same strike price, which is 31,200 minus, you need to be subtracting two premiums, 402 minus 410. Okay. It's 30,388. Okay. It's 30,388. So this is the lower boundary. I can also call it as, this is the lower break even point. Okay. Nothing but this is lower break even point where the color change is happening from red to green, green to red. Okay. This is lower break even point and this is higher break even point. Okay. So if you use this strategy, we want market to break these levels and come out of them. Okay. If it is coming out of them, then you will see unlimited profits, whether it is going up or even if it is going down. We don't care about the direction here. Okay. So we just need volatile market that breaks, that is having the capability or capacity of breaking the break even levels. Okay. So once the break even levels are broken, then we'll get to see unlimited profits in either direction. Okay. So irrespective of market direction, you will get to see the profits. Okay. All right. After seeing these break evens, you need to be pointing out these break evens on the chart. Okay. So 30,388. Let's mark them. Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty, and let me get on to 1 hour time frame. Now, what was the break even, lower break even? 30,388. 30,388. 30,388. Okay, let me select the darker line. 30,388. And what's the upper break even level? It's 32,012. 32,012. Okay, yeah, this is 32,000. So if you implement, if you wanna implement long straddle option strategy, you want market to be staying in this range only. No, sorry. You want market to be coming out of this range. Okay. See, if you look at the payoff diagram, if market stays in that range, you will be at loss. Okay, we want market to be volatile, we want market to be breaking the upper level and lower level. Okay, so we want market to break the break even levels and come out of it being volatile. Okay, so we want market to be highly volatile, which is having the capacity or capability of breaking the upper or lower break even levels and coming out of them. Okay, so according to break even levels, after seeing break even levels, you need to be drawing them on the chart. Then you need to expect market to be coming out of those break even levels either upside or downside. Okay, if you look at the payoff diagram, see, you'll get to see profit of 14,801 816 if market comes down to 29,795. Okay, if market comes down to 28,067, then look at your profits are 58,016. Okay, if market goes up till 32,999, look at your profits, it will be 24,666. Okay, if market goes up till 34,685, look at your profits, it's 66,816. Okay, so that's how, I mean, that's the capacity of this strategy. Look at the investment, it's only 20,000. Okay, but it will give you unlimited profits. Look at the profit, 75,516 if it ends at 35,000. Look at the profits, it's 67,066 if it ends at 27,705. Okay, with just 20,000 of investment. Okay, so that's the power of hedged strategies. It gives you amazing profits, it gives you amazing results with less investment. Okay, so only thing that you need to be following the rules. Okay, you need high volatile market to implement the strategy. Nothing but India VIX should be greater than 24 or 25 for you to implement this strategy. Okay, and you need to be marking the break even levels on the chart like this, and you need to be waiting for the market to break these levels for you to be in profits. Okay, all right, let's get on to the slides. So now you know what is risk and reward. Okay, so risk is very limited because you are an option buyer, because you are buying at the money call option and at the money put option to implement long straddle option strategy. Okay, so risk is limited in long straddle option strategy, and the maximum loss for long straddle occurs when underlying stock price on an expiration date is trading at the strike price of options bought. Okay, what I wrote, it's very simple. What I wrote is, give me a second. All right, so if the strike prices or if the market doesn't make any move, if it ends at the same point where we have bought our strikes, then we'll be able to see maximum loss. Okay, we want market to be breaking the lower boundary and upper boundary. Okay, if market is staying in that range, you will get to see losses. That's what I have written. And see, maximum loss for long straddles occurs when the underlying stock on an expiration date is trading at the strike price of options bought. Okay, so it should be making wild movements towards upside or downside. Okay, it should not be staying, it should not be moving sideways there. Okay, and at this price both options expire worthless and option trader loses the entire premium taken to enter the trade. Okay, if you don't understand this point also, no problem, I have just pointed out the reason why why the person who implemented long straddle will make a loss if it stays in that range. Okay, if it stays in that range, what happens on expiry day? What happens? They'll expire to zero, right? So option premium will come to zero. That is the reason the entire initial premium taken to enter the trade will become zero and you'll see the maximum loss if it is staying in that range. We need market to break those levels and go out of it. Okay, so this is a formula to calculate the risk, not necessary for you to remember because you need to be analyzing it through payoff chart. Okay, so and profits, you already know we're an option buyer, so profits are unlimited here because we are buying at the money call option and at the money put option to implement long straddle option strategy. Okay, so you need to be implementing this only when India VIX is greater than 24 or 25. Okay, you can implement this strategy on budget day or US elections when in corona crisis and some economic package release, etc. So there will be some fears in the market where market turns out to be very volatile and confusing. Okay, during that time you can implement the strategy. You can also implement this strategy after 1:30 p.m. for intraday, because after 1:30 p.m. European markets open and volatility will be little more when compared to 10 to 1, 10 to 1 p.m. Okay, so after 1 or 1:30 p.m. you can implement long straddle and book profits immediately. Okay, once the level is broken. Profits are unlimited when you are an option buyer. We know this. Profits are unlimited in long straddle because we are buying at the money call option and at the money put option. Okay, and by having long positions in both call and put options, straddles can achieve large profits no matter which way the underlying stock heads. That's what I wrote. That's what I told. It can move either upward or downward. Still, you will be able to say unlimited profits irrespective of market direction. So it is called neutral strategy or non-directional option strategy. Okay. So provided the move is strong enough. When you get strong moves or wild moves happen when VIX is high. Okay. This is a formula to calculate reward or maximum profits. So not necessary to remember or by heart. We are not preparing for any theory examinations here. Okay. So just analyze it from payoff charts. Okay. So break even point is a point where you don't get any profit or any loss. Okay. So it's a 0 point. So this is a formula to calculate break evens. I already told you. It's pretty simple. Even if you're lazy to calculate, then also no problem. You can understand it by payoff diagrams or from this free website. Okay. To calculate, it's pretty simple. You need to be taking the strike price, which is 31,200, and add both the premiums 410 and 402. 410 and 402, which is 32,012 is the upper level, upper break even level. And for lower level, you need to be subtracting both the premiums from strike price 31,200 minus 410 minus 402. That's it. 30,388 is the lower break even level. Okay. So we want market to be breaking those levels and coming out of it to see the profits. Okay. So payoff chart, you already know this. It's pretty simple. What I took here, I have analyzed it for Nifty here. I took 14,350 and 14,350 as strike price there at the money strike price, and for call option and for put option, I have bought them. So I have selected buy here. Okay. So this is how the payoff chart looks like. You already know this because I have explained with Bank Nifty example here. Okay. And effect of volatility, you already know this. We need high volatile market. That means India VIX should be greater than 24 or 25. Okay. So higher the volatility, high will be the movement in the market, and which benefits long call and put. Okay. So long straddle needs volatile market. Okay. And long straddle needs market not stay in between the range. Look at payoff chart. What it is saying? It is saying that range should be broken. Okay. This range should be broken for us to be in profits. Okay. So that's what I have written. Long straddle needs market to not stay in that range to see the profits. Okay. Effect of theta. Theta is an enemy. Theta is an enemy for option buyer. Here we are buying at the money call option and at the money put option to construct long straddle. Okay. So we are an option buyer here, and we need premiums to rise when we buy call or put option. Okay. But what's the duty of theta? Nothing but time decay. It's nothing but that theta duty is to bring down the premiums. When moving closer to expiry, when moving closer to Thursday, theta becomes more energetic and try to bring down the premiums. Okay. So it's not suggestible for you to use long straddle option strategy on Thursdays. Okay. So theta decay or time decay has a negative impact because I already told we are an option buyer because we are buying at the money call option and at the money put option to construct the long straddle. Okay. So we want premiums to grow to book profits. Okay. But what theta will do? It try to bring down the premiums. Okay. So theta is enemy. Theta will have negative impact on option long straddle option strategy. Okay. So decay happens faster when it is closer to expiry. So do not try to implement long straddle option strategy on Thursdays because theta will be more powerful on Thursday. When to implement long straddle? Pretty simple. Long straddle can be implemented when the market is volatile. We need India VIX greater than 24 or 25. And implement the strategy when you estimate that market will break levels that you have identified in payoff chart. Okay, break even levels. You need to be marking break even levels on the chart and analyzing the market. And success probability of long straddle is very less when compared to short straddle. Why? Because at most of the times market moves sideways. Short straddle is legit. Okay, so now you can sense that short triangle and short straddle are crazy strategies, are amazing strategies. Okay, long triangle and long straddle are also good strategies, but they cannot be applicable on every day. You need to be applying them only when in India VIX is greater than 24 or 25. Okay, but according to history, market will be moving sideways most of the times. Okay, so which benefits short straddle and short triangle option strategies. Okay, so success probability of long triangle and long straddle is very less when compared to short straddle and short triangle because market moves in sideways according to history most of the times. So short straddle and short triangle are good strategies or amazing strategies. Okay, so important point. Now you already know everything about long triangle, when to implement, which strikes to choose, and when to avoid, and you also know effect of volatility and effect of theta on long strategies. Okay, now you need to be knowing entry, exit, and stop loss. They're very simple. Entry can be done at any time when market is volatile. Before making before making an entry, you need to be looking at VIX. Okay, VIX should be greater than 24 or 25, and we need volatile market to achieve good results because if when the market is more volatile, what happens? It will break these levels and go. It will fly. Okay, so when market is more volatile, it will break these levels and it will come down, which will help us to see profits. We need market to be breaking these levels and coming out of it. Okay, that's the duty of VIX. And exit when VIX is going down, and exit when market isn't moving. That means when market moves in sideways, you need to be exiting. And stop loss, simple. It's very simple. Yes, you do not have to put any stop loss when you're dealing with a long straddle option strategy because look at payoff chart. What payoff chart is saying? Risk is limited here. Okay, because we are an option buyer here. Look at payoff chart. Only small red area. Okay, because risk is limited here and reward is unlimited. Profits are unlimited. Okay, so according to the, I mean, if you implement long straddle, which means we are an option buyer because we buy at the money call option and at the money put option. So for an option buyer, risk is limited. So we do not put any stop loss. So the strategy is called no stop loss option trading strategy. Okay. And important points that you need to be keeping in the mind while trading or while dealing with long straddle option strategy. Okay. So select ATM strikes. Selected ATM strikes should have high IV. That means high VIX. And when VIX is high, automatically delta will be high, gamma will be high, and vega is nothing but volatility. Okay. And as I explained, we do not want theta. We need inactive theta, or we want less theta market. Okay. That means you should be staying away from expiry. Okay. You should not be implementing this strategy on Thursday. Okay. And now we'll have, okay, theta will have a negative impact on long triangle when it is closer to expiry. That's what I told. What we are doing, we are an option buyer here. We are buying at the money call option and at the money put option to construct a long straddle option strategy. Okay, we are an option buyer. That means we want premiums to rise. But what's the duty of theta? Theta is trying to bring premiums down. When it is moving closer to expiry, it tries to bring premiums down to zero. Okay, so the theta has negative impact on long straddle. So do not implement the strategy on Thursday because theta will be more powerful on Thursday. And always have a look on option Greeks, nothing but delta, gamma, VIX. Okay, you anyway know this. When VIX is high, delta will be high and gamma will be high. And you should be looking at payoff chart, which is very important. Payoff chart gives you an overview on the total risk, the total profit or reward that you're gonna get, and also it will help you in calculating break evens or knowing the break even points, so that you get a clear view on break even points. And also you will get to know the maximum loss or profit you're gonna get, uh, where I mean according to the market movement. Okay. And very important point, you should be watching stock or index chart instead of looking at individual option strike price chart. Okay. And long straddle needs volatile market. That's what I have been telling since the first slide. Okay, very important. India VIX should be greater than 24 or 25. And as most of the time, so market moves sideways, long straddle and long triangle is not preferred by many people. Okay, so it works based on trendy days. Trendy days in the sense VIX should be high. Okay, so when we are close to expiry, theta will eat all your profits. When we are in long triangle, okay, theta will have negative impact. If it is Thursday, stay away from the strategy. Okay, so all right. If you guys have any questions and if you guys have any doubts, you can call me up at any time and you can message us anytime. Okay. Me and my team will be very happy to answer all your questions. Okay. So we are here to clear all your doubts. We are here to wipe off all your queries and to teach you the best that we have got. Okay. So feel free to call me up, or feel free to message us at any time if you have any queries. And if you guys like the strategy, and if you guys are happy with the way of the teaching, and if you guys are excited to implement the strategy and book crazy money in the market, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you everyone.